Hello YouTube world, this is another video on the CMMG Bravo 22 conversion kit for an AR-15. It's a pretty reliable system. I like it as is out of the box, but I made a few little minor improvements here that anyone can do for a few bucks to try and help the reliability of the system, so I figured I'd make a quick video on it. What I did is take my Dremel with the felt pad and Flitz metal polish, and see if we can get in there. Can we see that? Polished up the feed ramp, the bolt face, and inside in the chamber. Get a nice mirror finish on it. And on the feed rails, or sorry, the slide rails. And finally, I don't have it pulled out of here, but the firing pin. I put a good polish on the firing pin. The idea being to reduce friction and try and improve the overall system reliability. You know, it only takes a few minutes. It's something that any hobbyist can do with a Dremel. As long as you're using a felt pad, you don't have to worry about removing any metal or material or screwing it up. And as you can see, you get a really nice mirror polished finish on there. So the friction is just greatly reduced. And I'm hopeful that long term, you know, over the next several months, I should see a pretty significant improvement in reliability, especially with misfires. I mean, its system runs good, but with Federal bulk pack, I was getting a lot of misfires because I think there was a little bit too much friction on the firing pin, and it wasn't quite hitting hard enough. So we'll see. I'll do a follow-up video on this and report back my results in the long term. But I think it should work pretty good. So the product, again, Flitz metal polish, and this stuff is outstanding. I've been using it for years. A basic Dremel, you can use cordless or corded, doesn't matter, and a felt polishing wheel. Do not use a stone. And this is what the kit looks like disassembled. Let me throw it back together here real quick so we can take a look at it when it's all put together. Bear with me for one moment. But overall, I'm hoping that this will get me up closer to that 99% reliability where I'd like to be. I'd like to match the reliability of a Smith & Wesson M&P 1522. I have one. It's probably the most reliable 22 semi-auto I've ever had. And basically, I consider that to be the gold standard in 22s. So that's where I really like to get with this. If I can get to that level, there it is, all put back together. And slides real nice on the polished rails. If I can get that level of reliability with this kit, I will be just tickled to death. All right, YouTube world, have a great day. Thanks for watching.